A calls inbound queue is used to handle the incoming calls in your PBX. Go to Manage, Queues for a list of all your queues with familiar list view controls. Let's create a new calls inbound queue. A unique queue number and a title will be necessary. The advanced settings give you access to a number of useful options, such as playing a custom recording after joining, setting a maximum waiting time, specifying a wrap-up time for the agents, or selecting a distribution strategy. The view also enables you to set up periodic announcements, edit call monitoring options, set call recording preferences, and more. For further settings, click the Extended button in the top right corner, and for a complete description of each field in this view, head to our online documentation. One function you will probably use often is the distribution strategy. It determines how activities that use a given queue will be allocated to your agents. You can see a more detailed description of how each strategy works by hovering here. Each of them takes into account the agent's priority in the queue, which is also known as penalty, depending on the rights they use. You can set up the priorities in each queue by clicking Change in the Agents column, 0 being the highest priority and 10 being the lowest priority. This view also lets you quickly select what rights are needed to access each of your queues by ticking and unticking the boxes next to them. This column displays the number of users that have that right. Rights that have call pickup turned on can accept activities which are already ringing at another agent using waiting activities. The login method field specifies how users will gain access to the queue. Naturally, an even more detailed description of this function can be found in our documentation. The calls outbound queue, on the other hand, is used to handle the outgoing calls in your PBX. Creating it is quite similar to creating an inbound queue, with a different set of fields at your disposal. A unique queue number and a title will be necessary here too, as well as your preference regarding recording calls. Click the Extended button in the top right corner to access more options. A detailed description of each field here is also available in our documentation. Before your queues will work properly, you will also need to set up your inbound and outbound routings. But before covering that, let's take a look at other types of queues.